a blessed night in Wrocław. There was this one night where I was freaked out like hell. Around 3ish in night, basically I was actually pub crawling, okay. But around 3ish, I realized that I have left out my home keys. I did not remember in which pub exactly I left. So I was just recollecting, like I was freaking out that very moment, because it was for the first time, and at the middle of the night I didn't realize where to go. My friends all left for their home, and I was the only one who was just like walking towards home and realizing that I have actually left my keys somewhere. So instead of just calling my friends, I just thought of figuring it out by myself, so that they should not be worried in the middle of the night. So I recollected, and I actually went to 2 to 3 pubs to check it out whether I have left out there or not. But then I realized the longest time where I have been spending time in that pub, I will go there. So by the time I could reach to that pub, say around 4:30ish in the morning. So luckily, because it was Saturday night, that pub is open till 5. So when I reached there, and I asked them whether you have any, have you found any keys? And to my surprise, they showed me this one key and they said, "Is this yours?" I said, "Yes, that's mine." I was surprised. I was like, shit. Obviously they wouldn't have done anything with the key, but it's they're such a good thing, their humanity, I would say, that they actually kept that key thinking someone might come and collect it, and instead of just throwing it in the dustbin. So it was such a good thing. I really felt good, and I really felt so blessed. I'm so blessed, really so blessed here. Lot of experiences, whatever I've had so far, it has always been good. Sharing these experiences will just at least provide you the quality of life one is living here in Wrocław in Poland, and also the perspective of people, whether it's safe going out or living in a particular street or whatever. This is just to spread the word. I hope people will get to understand about this beautiful country, and I hope this makes some change in the perspective of the people for Poland. Bye bye. Love you guys.